I have in front of me 3 products that changed like the most, gave the most benefits for my anti-aging goal in my life, internally and externally. This is a person today as I am because of those 3 products. None of this is sponsored. In the last 37.5 years, I have tried multiple of products, multiple vitamins, multiple tools and hacks and tips and tricks, and today I want to share with you, because I care about you, that this might gonna help you to slow down aging. I do not have Botox, I do not have fillers, I do not do any lasers or any procedures on my face. I only use few of these products and they work like crazy. I will promise to you, if you use these products and you don't see any difference, I'll be like, shoot me. Like, I know absolutely 100% of the people that I recommended these products, they said, Jen, oh my God, this changed my life. I look better, I feel amazing, my skin is glowy, I don't have acne anymore, my wrinkles are disappearing, my pigmentation is disappearing, I have more energy, I feel healthy, wealthy, and successful. There we go, let's get started. Frownies. Been using this for last year. I swear, like I literally swear, not my brand at all. This is Frownies. I don't sell this. I actually buy this. It's 20, I believe, $2. I pay my own money. So here are anti-aging patches for your forehead. My forehead is the way it is because of this. Like literally because of that. So you separate like that. You wet them and you apply, you kind of play around. They can actually go to the smaller pieces like that. You technically like basically wet them, put like everywhere, play however you want, and you kind of have like a superwoman, like superwoman forehead. And these babies helps so much. Like, how does it work? They basically, these patches train your muscle do not move, because you apply, like let's say you go to bed at 10 o'clock, you wake up next day at 7, right? So you will have this for let's say 8-10 hours, however, you know, I apply right before bed, sometimes 1 or 2 hours before. Get this, it's worth investment, I swear to God, and this lasts forever, and you don't have to wear every day. Maybe in the beginning I will say wear every day for a week or 2, and after that, right now I technically wear maybe once or twice a week. And as you see, that doesn't mean that I don't have wrinkles, but this trains at the daytime do not cause any movements in your face. So literally I have rested bitch face and I'm not moving my forehead, even though if you ask me to squint or frown or raise my brows, I can totally do that. So it just does not make, like kind of unconsciously makes my muscle just be still and relax. Number 2 product, real individual needle Dermaroller, which is microneedling tool that changed my life, changed thousands of people's lives. Right now 53,000 people's lives being changed because of that, because this is how many clients I have. Happy clients. We receive more than 1, sometimes 2, sometimes even 3 before and after pictures from my clients. This is my brand, yes, and it's my brand because it's freaking working. Here, few 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures from my clients just recently this year that they achieved amazing, incredible results. So how microneedling works: when you roll on your skin, you're causing micro punctures, like micro needling, like micro wounding, micro. Your body sends like healing cells, like an ambulance, to repair like micro damage that is being done to your skin. I've been doing this for last 6-7 years, maybe almost 8, consistently. Just did for last 5 years. In the beginning I was like kind of skipping a couple of months and stuff like this, but it works. You can read reviews, you can check pictures before and after. Great anti-aging product that every woman at home, if you're a single mom, if you're married, if you don't like to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars going to a esthetician, a salon place like in a esthetician office to do that treatment, it will cost $300 to $400, depends where you live. I live in the middle of Miami, probably will be $500 for the treatment. This you get for $35. 10 users at home, so one session comes to $3.50. Don't tell me you don't have $3.50 for each session. We're at the place where you will go and get this done by professional. You will pay like $3.50, which is 10 times more. It's up to you. If you want to go to that place, go ahead. If not, you can use at home. $3.50 per session. Pretty cool deal, I would say. Now the last product that I have, it's a supplement. It actually like something that is helping to produce a very important gas called nitric oxide. I have done podcasts with Dr. Nathan Bryan. I'm gonna link it somewhere here in the corner. Incredible scientist and doctor who discovered how nitric oxide is important for our body, for our cells, telomeres to be healthy. And actually this is like, if it was one word to describe what is nitric oxide, this is supplementation, which is called lozenges. Daily health and circulation support. It is longevity. I will call this longevity. It is, we also offer on my website. This is just number one, like just only one product that I do resell on my website. It is like that, lozenges. You basically put under your tongue, you suck it, and you wait until it's gonna melt. And oh my God, guys. So since I started taking this a couple of months ago, my health got so better. My sleep improved, my energy improved, my mental focus improved, my hair started growing like crazy, my nails became stronger. I feel my teeth actually become better. I think, I don't know if that's related, but that's crazy, but I actually started loving myself better. I think I established boundaries with the people, with the situation, with everything in my life that doesn't serve me. This is basically helps to improve your circulation. 2 out of 3 Americans die because of the cardiovascular issues. That's mean blood somehow is not freely flowing into the heart, into the organs, into the brain, and 2 out of 3 Americans have deficiency of nitric oxide. We all lose deficiency of nitric oxide. We all start to not producing enough nitric oxide after the age of 30. Go check out the podcast. I today just also did Instagram live with Dr. Nathan Bryan. I swear to God, this is something that I wish I knew earlier in my early 30s or late 20s. Like literally he said he gives this even before sports events to his son that is, I believe, 14 years old. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. That helps to my channel a lot. And let me know if you have any other questions and share your #1 anti-aging product. I would like to check it out and test it out. Thank you guys so much. Bye. See you in my next video. Stay gorgeous.